Hello and welcome. My name is Daniel Schickel, and this is Tips and Tricks with ProPricer. In this episode, we will cover embedding company logos and images into reports. This new addition to ProPricer 9.4 allows you to embed visual data, such as pie charts and graphs, your company logo, and other images directly into your reports. This gives every report in ProPricer an extra degree of professionalism and customization. These changes take effect over the entire database. All users with reporting permissions will be able to see these embedded images and logos. Let's first start by adding a company logo to all of your reports in ProPricer. First, we need to attach the logo to your company data in ProPricer. To do this, navigate to Setup in the ribbon. In the Preferences grouping, select Company Data. In the blank field for logo, towards the bottom of the window, right-click and select Load. Navigate to your company logo file, select it, and click Open. Note, an existing logo can be changed by following these same steps. With your logo uploaded into ProPricer, we now need to tell ProPricer to embed it and where to embed it into all your reports. To do this, navigate to Setup in the ribbon. In the Preferences grouping, select Report Defaults. In the navigation pane, select Layout. Check the Display Company Logo box and choose your alignment. Center, left, and right all refer to the top of the report. Note, the footer section is now located in this Layout tab in ProPricer 9.4. Once your alignment is set, click Apply and OK. That's it, your company logo is now attached to your reports in ProPricer. I will now navigate to the report list, select a report, and print to screen. You will see the logo embedded above the header of your report. You may return to the report defaults to move the logo to your preferred location, right, left, or center, or uncheck the Display Company Logo box to hide your company logo. With your company logo embedded into your reports, let us now move on to embedding other images directly into reports. Whether you want to embed visual data, another company logo, or any other images, the report designer can now accomplish this task. To do this, open the report list. Right-click the report you want to add images to and select Edit. Select an existing section where you want to embed your image or create a new one. I will create a new section right below my report header. In the Fields list, click and drag the image field into your section. In the Properties panel, under Data, select the 3 ellipses to the right of the source field. Navigate to your image in the File Explorer and select Open. Expand your section to adjust the size of your image. Once the image placement is to your liking, select Run in the Report grouping of the Design ribbon to preview your report. You may select Edit if you would like to return to the report designer to make further adjustments. Once you are satisfied with your image, select Save As in the ribbon, give your report a unique name, click Apply, and OK. Your report is now complete. To run this report, navigate to Reports in the ribbon, select Report List, and double-click your new report. Select Print to Screen. And there you have it, your image is embedded into your report. To summarize, ProPricer 9.4 gives you the ability to embed images and company logos into your reports. This added feature allows customization for the over 100 canned reports and all your custom reports in ProPricer. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please share it with your colleagues who use ProPricer. If you have any questions about ProPricer, please email us directly. Again, my name is Daniel Schickel, and as always, thanks for watching.